These bikes look very similar, don't they? They are. This is the same category. This is kind of the mid-size. Well, there's large motorcycle style, and then there's motorcycle style. So this would be your DX, your Beachman, Gandon. But these bikes are two different brands. Bikes can be very similar because, like cars, they can have a factory, but they take parts from other factories to make the bikes, just like cars that share the same parts that make them look very similar. And that's the case here. This is a Tau Gemini. This is an Evoque Streetster, the previous model, so 24 and older. Yes, they look the same, but they definitely have different components. Now, I can tell you that the motor on this one is bigger. The Gemini is one of my favorite. It is a very torquey bike. And then Etron is the same performance as a Gandon or a DX or Beachman. So that's what set this apart. But if you ask me which one I would buy nowadays, I would buy the Etron from Evoque, because I don't know how much longer Tau's going to be around, to be honest. They've been around for a while, but they're really getting out of the e-bike business. Anyways, I digress. Let's get back to the fact that these bikes look so similar, but they're not similar. They do have different guts. They've got different motors, different tires. They've got different seats. They've got different dashes. Reservoirs look the same, different mirrors. Their housings are different, but their front lights are the same. They are going to share the same body. So when these are ordered, you can choose kind of how you want to outfit it, and that's what determines the price and manufacturing. They've gone with a nicer mirror. Tau stuck with this kind of round one. They paid more for this dash. This is a popular model because the doors on the outside, they've been changed so that they can open. These were never meant to be open. Tau did not do that great of a job. Etron did a much better job with how their compartment opens to get the batteries out. So yeah. Seat height. They're the same size tires, so the seat height should be about the same. Oh, I'm tippy toes on this one. The kickstand is a lot longer on this one. It's much nicer on that one. Yeah, see, I just fit just a little bit better on this one. Why is that? Suspension's got to be different. Yeah. Different suspension, different pegs. They've chosen this whole rack. They've gone with color here. But even like, look at this. Look at the welding on this one compared to this one. Look how, it's hard to see because it's black, but look how clean that is. That is not very clean. And that's got a little spot there that could get water in it. This one is a 2-key system, so the whole thing opens. Like I said, it's much better. But yeah, it's just nice to be able to get a side-by-side look at bikes when they look so similar in the pictures. And that's what I love to do here, is get tons of inventory and see them side by side so that you're more educated. You get more information for when you are ready to buy your next e-bike. And let's hope it's from us, because we deserve it. Yeah.